Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. Hey, I'm back to Ghana. I'm back to motherland Ghana. Just letting you all know, okay, Del is back. Yeah, so videos to be coming back to back. Hey, I don't suffer for Nigeria. As it is hot, guys, I come back again, and this time around I'm going to be giving you videos back to back. Hey, Nigeria made me to limit my uploads, but as I come back motherland Ghana where they give me joy, that's why I'm going to give you guys videos back to back. I'm back fully, guys. So today I got news got to me this afternoon about a Nigerian who opened a school, a Yahoo school. Well, this incident did not happen in Ghana, but I'm just trying to draw Ghanaian government attention. See, this very thing happening in Nigeria doesn't mean it cannot happen in Ghana. That was the time they caught some people operating this kind of operation in Ghana. I don't know if you guys saw the video, but I think I reacted to a video like that. They saw a Yahoo school, like Nigerians open a Yahoo school where they bring people to Ghana to, you know, learn how to do Yahoo and other things, you know. So that's the reason why I brought this video, and coupled with the fact that it's a Ghanaian that reacted to the video, and he is sending out warning to Ghanaian government so they can, you know, look through this and try to avoid this happening in Ghana. Because if you allow it to happen in Ghana, it's going to be something else. I mean, it's going to make Ghanaian youth, especially the young, the Gen Zs coming up now, not to focus in doing what will help them, but they will put their focus in learning how to do Yahoo. Generally, scamming is not a job, but you and I know in Nigeria, scamming is the job. Yeah, it's only in Nigeria that you see a mother carrying her child to a scammer and be like, okay, teach my son how to scam. It happens in Nigeria. I be at a lie, not true at the talk. So we don't want to see that kind of thing happening in Ghana. So please, you guys should be cautious and make sure you ask people questions, especially from the border. That border, yes, ask them questions. What are they coming to do in Ghana before you give them, before you allow them to enter? Because if someone does not have tangible reason of coming to Ghana, or he doesn't have anywhere to stay in Ghana, what is bringing him here? Ghana is already difficult. I don't know why they are still coming. They don't have somewhere to stay. They want to come and be staying around, like on that bridge, and making the country unsafe for us. We don't like to see all those things happening. We ran from Nigeria and come to Ghana because of our peace, and Ghana is becoming something else again. The insecurity, we don't like to hear that Ghana have insecurity issues. No, we don't want that. So it's better we, you know, work hand in hand with the police, the immigration, and stop this from happening. Okay, I'm a Nigerian and I know the reason why I'm saying all of this, guys. I'm sorry about the background noise. Let's jump into the video, and please, at the end of it, kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
My people, it don't castle. Nigerians has done it. Oh, again. So Yahoo University has been discovered in Edo State in Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Marvin, who is one of the most Yahoo king in Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, this Mr. Marvin built a Yahoo University, which he has been using this Yahoo University to be recruiting boys and girls into this Yahoo University. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Marvin, who went for juju well, charm well. So he's walking in town. When he see you that you don't have a future on the street, he will recruit you and give you admission. It has been going on. When you reach this university, when you even change your mind that you don't want to attend this Yahoo University, Mr. Marvin will now use charm on you so that your mind will change. And he will bring you laptop connect to internet so that you will be using it to be chatting with clients, and you'll be collecting money and be giving to Mr. Marvin.
It is smoky book.
Mr. Marvin has been collecting those money without paying his boys. Ladies and gentlemen, there, one of them also now graduates and with his certificate thought about it and started trying to open another branch in the same Edo states. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Marvin did not agree to it at all. That for you to pass through this university, you want also open new branch of university for this Edo state. Sure, it not go happen. Now, Mr. Marvin has been actually fighting his own graduates when passed through his own university, and it has been going back and forth. Now his boy now reported the incident or reported the situation to Edo State Police. As I'm talking to you now, the Edo State Police has arrested all of them in that university, in that Yahoo University in Edo State. Ladies and gentlemen, now they said when you are about to graduate, they post some into different countries. When you graduate from that Nigerian Yahoo University, they will post you to another country so that you can go and hold the territory there. I am very sure that most of them are here in Ghana. Most of these Yahoo University students from Nigeria, Edo State, are here. And when you graduate from this Yahoo University, they will be posting you to different continents. You need not to open another branch there in Lagos, Edo State, or in anywhere in Nigeria. So most of them are heading towards Ghana and other continents of Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, when we say Nigerians are the big boss of Yahoo, they are the brain behind Yahoo. These are typical examples. Ghana police arrested most of them here in Ghana. It is Mr. Marvin, one of Mr. Marvin branch. Mr. Marvin is the co-founder of this Yahoo University all over the world. He has been arrested by Nigerian police, Edo State to be precise. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to the Nigerian police for this great job and sanitizing Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, to my fellow Ghanaians, be very watchful and be very mindful when you are walking. Be smelling trouble. Be smelling trouble where Nigerians are. Carry your eye. They notice what is going on there. Even if they live in an apartment, be checking. Be a check. Whenever you hear anything, beep, say that they do Yahoo, say that they clean call the next president. Let all the task force and they will go and bring them out of there. Just inbox me or just hit on me. Call me. I will let the boys, I will let the men arrest them now. Yes, we are not joking in this country. We will say no to Yahoo in this country. We will say no to kidnappers in this country. Yes, call me when you hear anywhere Nigeria is doing kidnapping. Wherever Nigeria is doing Yahoo, just hit on the next president and the task force will be there to take them out to the police. Yes. Power. My people, I beg, let's go and watch how a Ghanaian lady nearly got kidnapped by a Yango driver. I beg, stay with me and let's go and watch the video.
And kidnapping me, patroti, and I feel these people, they use like charm, like command charm or something. So yesterday I went to the market to go and get some groceries for myself, okay? And mostly when I'm going to the market, I don't drive because the market say you won't get a place to park and then there's traffic and all that. So me a young when I'm at the coins, really very, and I'm starting to order ride. It's right, drive and a frame no see or banana make say the market no traffic will hop. It's instead so driving to the market no on the train or filling station, if we more on but there's a filling station be out the bedroom market or washing bay inside. Then I'm catching and say, well, I'll come and stand there so Obe pick me one or see you what. So my car was blue and the number plates, everything was in my head. One thing about me is that me that ride nearby. No be your correct. Now we drive and picture class the sound up and so I'm in for car no. Sounds now car no color no. What was spray and color for me from no matter what you do, I won't enter that car. If you change anything about your car, please the Yango riders go to Yango office and change it on the app. Update your app before me for. So I was just there waiting and I know who said Toyota Corolla be Ramu tinted like everywhere is black and the car is black. Oh Ramu pay and obey me no rolling the glass in the bar from no say have you ordered for a ride? And I'm say why? Or say come let me drop you off. And I'm saying as what? You are not my ride. And see what is wrong with you? Or say come let me drop you off. What are you? And I'm say are you okay? Do you know me? Or say much papa or is your place far? And I'm say please my place is not far. Whether it's far or not far, I am not entering this car. Or say enter the car and I'm say, hey, like it's not like a remote area or something. If you know Dome, you know what I'm talking about. Dome market, no. From more now, per filling station, Bonipa or there's some women selling corn and all that. And this guy was forcing me to enter the car, and he was talking on top of his voice like, it's me. I mean, yeah, and we can't say for Jimmy Ko, be a kidnapping and why? Or for him and you didn't see you a kidnapper. You want to kidnap me, so Otis said me can say you want to kidnap me. I'm saying be there. I'm calling the police for you. And then he was like, stupid girl. I'm saying, oh rubbish man. You are also very stupid. If you are not stupid, why will you be driving around to pick people? Do you think I'm one of these girls that idiot? You think you are pretty? And I'm saying, oh, shame on you. I'm able to share what to so there was this security man I was on my floor. Show me I'm saying, who's the security man? Make up with the security man. Who's now? What yet? Who for money? Be shooting upon me. So please, my ladies, who call Bontino be person now lift this and your money mana. Be careful, because you their family members don't have the voice to come and voice it out. Say omuni pyra, so we don't hear anything about it. Just imagine in the middle of a whole like in Kofu, a whole market people. No, he wanted to force me, and I feel they have something that they have command spirit or something. As the way he was talking, it was weird. How do you? I mean, even first the like, how do you talk to the person? Come in, please. Be careful out there because we are living in a wicked world of late. And he's looking like wicked person be. The way he was sweating in that car now. I don't know what's wrong with him. If you go to the market, if you go to church, it can be your church member. Please be careful out there.
Yes, it's now looking at all the bigger crime we have been hearing in Nigeria. Slowly, gradually, they are coming to Ghana. Now, what is actually going on? Kidnap in Ghana? Hey. Anyway, be very, very careful out there. Be very, very careful out there, especially our ladies. Be very careful when you are picking these apps. Those apps belongs to foreigners in this country. I will urge you, if you want to pick these app vehicles, patronize Saxi. The Saxi belongs to Shatawale. He is a Ghanaian. Yes. He is a Ghanaian. So patronize Saxi. Yes. Anyway, be careful and be extra vigilant. Xmas is getting closer, and these people, these our country people from the up, you know them, how eager they are in making money. Everything about them is hustle. Kidnap is hustle for them. Yahoo, they call it hustle. Yes. Still power to the Nyas. My people. It don't cast so. Oh, Nigerians has done it. Oh, again. So this young man has on a life 72 years old grandma in Ogun State.
It is smoky book.
Ladies and gentlemen, this Adiboye who wake up and then went to this 72 years old grandma house to unalive the woman in his own room. Ladies and gentlemen, after Adiboye now chop off the woman head and also move some small portion of the woman, I think that one will be used for suya, for pepper soup, for nkobi soup. Ladies and gentlemen, as Adiboye was running away, he now met the grandson of the deceased. Ladies and gentlemen, dear Adiboye, out of shock, he now left the rubber bag which contained the head and also some portion of the suya and of the pepper soup, and also for money rituals. Ladies and gentlemen, now Adiboye now run into the bush. There, the grandson became surprised and also furious. He now rushed to the house. Grandma, Budi, hey, my grandmother, Budi, where are you, Budi? Only for him to open one of the door. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an eyesore. That's why we cannot bring the video. The woman, the poor grandma, is lying in cozy brode, without head, without toto, without some portion of this old grandmother. Ladies and gentlemen, here he now rushed to where he met this Adiboye. Ladies and gentlemen, only for him to open this rubber bag, there was full of the grandmother hair, toto, and some bobby and some pubic hair in there. He quickly now ring the Ogun State Police that they should come. This is what has happened. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, Nigerian police, they were asking a lot of questions. Is he holding chewing gum? What is he alive? The person with, is it knife? Which kind of knife? They were delaying and delaying and delaying. Later on, they can't come. As they come, our food don't finish, oh. Our Disney don't finish, oh. They can't reach. Ladies and gentlemen, they put their investigation on the ground and they arrested this Nigerian Bolabed Adiboye, and he confessed to unalive the woman because they are struggling for land, and also he wanted to use the other part for money rituals. That one, now allegedly. Yes. So my people, una for fear Nigeria. Nigeria, they don't get small. They don't get small. All of them, they are big. All of them, they are big. That is the main reason why, because of crime, they call themselves giant of Africa. Because in criminality, they are tough. They are giant. Yes. Yes. Power to the yash. Why?